Hi Acadiana, I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Happy Friday to you. Hopefully you enjoyed some of the showers and thunderstorms late yesterday evening, cooling our temperatures down. Most of us dropping into the 70s, and even though it's pretty sticky out here, it does feel a lot better than it has for the previous few mornings. Looking at the sky cam, really pretty morning out here with a mix of sun and clouds out there. A lot of humidity left over, some instability too, so might see some more showers and thunderstorms later today, but I think your morning commute is going to be fairly quiet. And looking at the web cams, or traffic cams rather, we are looking at mainly dry roadways across Acadiana. Heading off to school later today, 78 degrees for the drop-off temperature, so a couple of degrees cooler, but still going to be pretty hot later this afternoon, although there may be some showers and thunderstorms already developing by the time the kids get out of school. So 95 where it's not raining, and where it will be raining, temperatures will have dropped somewhat. As far as our temperatures around Acadiana, most of the region is now dropped into the upper 70s, so that was a nice change with the rains coming in late yesterday evening. Right now, a couple of isolated showers and thunderstorms are out in the offshore waters, but no big problems out there. We will be watching a bit of a trough to our north. You can see that spin over the Great Lakes states and kind of a cold front that's dropping southward. The bulk of the cool, dry air is going to be heading southeast of us, but as we head into the early part of next week, that frontal boundary might back its way into Acadiana, not really providing us with any cool conditions, but lower humidity. Remember last weekend how nice it was, even with temperatures in the upper 90s? Well, we might get to experience some of that as we head into the early part of next week. Between now and then, though, it stays very warm and very humid. Heat advisories will remain in effect, and those heat index values could go as high as 112, but that bit of a trough there that's over the Great Lakes has pushed our ridge of high pressure aloft back to the west, so I wouldn't be surprised to see a few widely scattered showers and thunderstorms out there again today. A little less coverage, but still a chance for showers and thunderstorms tomorrow, and then with a front approaching the area on Sunday, we'll see a better chance for showers and thunderstorms again. Once that front pushes through, though, things will dry out early next week and the humidity levels will be coming down. But temperatures aren't going to change much. We're on track for the second warmest August after last year's record-setting August, and we're also on track for the second warmest summer after 2023's record summer that we had last year. But those heat advisories continue, and all of Acadiana will be under that, as the heat index could go as high as 112. Quick look at tropics. Gulf of Mexico, no real big issues other than those widely scattered showers and thunderstorms out there. If you're doing some boating or fishing or working out there, winds and seas will be fairly light. Generally west or northwesterly winds, or southerly winds rather, and then the seas about 1 to 2 feet. But of course, winds and seas will be higher around those bigger thunderstorms. And Hurricane Ernesto has peaked on its intensity, at least it appears that way. It is going to be moving very close to Bermuda sometime early this weekend. A bit of a slowdown as it's going to miss one trough, but the trough that is expected to bring us some drier air early next week will eventually pick it up and kick it out to sea. As far as any other tropical waves, there's a couple of them that are out in the Atlantic, but with a ridge of high pressure farther to the east, I think most of the action is going to curve and stay over the Atlantic. That frontal boundary, though, we'll watch that as it kind of drapes its way over the Gulf of Mexico early next week. Occasionally you can get a low to develop along those, and occasionally you can get a little tropical system to whip up. One model picked that out yesterday. We'll have to see what happens today in Let's Talk Tropics. That's live at noon. Your high still reaching 97, the heat index up to 112, about a 60% chance though that we'll see showers and thunderstorms. Again, the best chances for rain are going to be from Opelousas, Lafayette to Abbeville and points eastward. Western sections will have a lower rain chance, and as far as those temperatures staying quite hot, looks like they're going to stay there all the way through the weekend. Could be close to 100 once again on Sunday. Well, I hope you enjoy Acadiana weather today. If you do, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those notifications too. That way you know when Let's Talk Tropics starts later today at noon. If I don't see you live later on today, I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday.